Bryan and Vanessa here from Gracie, Baja, Colorado Springs. We'd like to share a submission with you today from side control. Vanessa, please. So we're going to start here in side control position, and I'm going to have a heavy hip, and I'm going to have a underhook over here. Now I'm going to set up my cross face. I'm going to reach behind her head, thumb in, and I'm going to establish a strong cross face here. Now anytime she goes to turn into me, I'm going to lift up my elbow and I'm going to keep her where she is. Now I'm going to set up the choke. So I'm going to turn my body here. I'm going to start to come up here. I'm going to block the hip. And I'm going to come up and I'm going to walk to the other side. So I still have my grip. This hand's going to come in here like this. It's going to get the back of the jacket. And I'm going to finish the choke. This choke has two big advantages. The first one is it's hard to see coming because this just feels like a regular cross face. They don't really feel the threat. Now, if I was to start to insert my second hand here, she could feel the choke coming on. Or even if my hand was here and I started to insert the second hand, she feels the choke. This is sneaky because I hide the second hand with my body. So when I'm over here like this, I start to turn. We're gonna block, and then I turn up here like this. So it's pretty easy to sneak my hand in here. Now let's change the angle this way. Now this is kind of the tricky part. Sometimes you can get the thumb into the lapel, but you can see sometimes it's too tight. So I just reach in here and I get my wrist close to the head, and you just scoop up some fabric with your fingertips. And then I start to drop back in and I squeeze for the submission. The other big advantage to this kind of submission is that I don't risk a whole lot. For example, if I tried to jump up and hit an arm bar and I fall off to the side, maybe my opponent gets to the top. We don't have to worry about that with this submission. So when I'm here and I'm set up and I get my weight on my opponent and I come over here, if I come over here and it's not working, I can just let it go. And I can reestablish my dominant position. So one last time. We're gonna get side control, get the thumb in. And you can really sell the cross face. The more she tries to turn in, and the more I use my cross face, the more she forgets that that's a choking hand as well. So I just start to go belly down, block the hip, come on my shoulder here, shoulder heavy on the body, swim in, get your grip, close, and finish the choke. We hope you guys like it. Have a great day.